And so right here and right now, we do know that we do shine our light, that our light can shine brightly in any and all moments. And so as we rest in this divine moment, we call forth that power, that presence of spirit that expresses as God. We allow that presence to guide and direct our experience this day. We allow that presence to expand our hearts and our minds. And so right here, right now, we center ourselves in the presence and the peace of God. We allow that to be the grounding place for us right here and right now. Grounded in spirit, we enter into this brand new, never before experience today. And so it is, with that as our intention, that we enter now into this experience. Grounded, fully aware of the truth of what we are. And so it is for that that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is.